Good morning, students. Welcome to the class. Today we will start with our new chapter, chapter 8, our agriculture. Now, what is agriculture? Agriculture means cultivation of land. In this chapter, we will learn about the cultivation of land, what does it includes, about food crops and cash crops. Now, first we will start with get set. Look at these pictures. Write the names of the crops. You have to tell. Now, first one, these are the coffee beans, rice, sugarcane, and wheat. Now, agriculture means cultivation of land. Please underline this. Meaning of agriculture is cultivation of land. It also includes horticulture, livestock rearing, and fishing. Now, I have prepared the notes and I'll explain from that. Now, first, I have already explained what is agriculture. Agriculture means cultivation of land. And what does it include? The first point is horticulture, cultivation of fruits, flowers, and vegetables is known as horticulture. Now, livestock rearing is rearing of animals for milk, manure, wool, skin, meat, and use in cultivation of land such as drawing water and plowing is livestock rearing. Next is fishing. Fishing means catching fish from the sea or from rivers, canals, lakes, and ponds. Fine. Now in there are two types of crops. Two types of crops are cultivated in India. They are food crops and cash crops. Now, what are food crops? Food crops are those crops that are grown to be eaten. The crops which we grow to eat, for example, rice, wheat, millets, and pulses. Pulses is dalein are examples of food crops. Now, next is cash crops. What are cash crops? Cash crops are those crops that are grown to be used in the industries or for sale in the market. That first we have to be used in industries, then it is used for sale in the market. For example, cotton. So first we make a fabric in industries with the use of cotton, and then we sell it in the market. These are the raw materials. Raw material is the basic material from which something is made. Sugarcane, tea, and coffee are examples of cash crops. Coffee beans are there in the market, and in industries coffee is prepared, so they are the raw materials. Now we will discuss from book. Bacha, this I have already explained. Raw material also the basic material from which something is made. Now, more than half of Indians are farmers. So, agriculture is the main occupation of our country, of India. Look, can you see most people living in eastern and southern India eat rice? This is a rice is a paddy crop that needs a lot of water. Types of crops I have discussed, food crops and cash crops. Now, India has a favorable climate. Underline this, why the crops grow in India. India has a favorable climate, fertile soil, and good irrigation facilities to grow many crops. Why the crops are grown in India? Because climate is suitable to them, fertile soil is there, and good irrigation facilities are there. Irrigation I have already explained in my previous chapters. Now look at this table. This is a table of food crops. Now food crops that are grown to be eaten. So rice. What type of climate it requires? Hot and wet. And what are the states? West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar and Odisha. Then next is wheat, cool and moist. Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Haryana and Rajasthan. Then millets. Millets क्या होते हैं? दाने वाली चीज़ें लाइक ज्वार, बाजरा, रागी. Hot and dry climate. Maharashtra, Telangana, Karnataka, Rajasthan and Gujarat. Next pulses, moong, masoor, arhar, gram. Dry weather, dry climate it needs, dry climate. Then Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh and Rajasthan. Now next is cash crops. So कौन से क्रॉप्स होते हैं? शुगर केन, जूट, कॉटन, टी, कॉफ़ी आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन. एंड द क्लाइमेट आइडियल फॉर शुगर केन इज़ हॉट एंड मॉइस्ट. Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. They are the states. Jute, hot and wet, West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Odisha. And cotton, hot and moist, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh. Tea, hot and wet, Assam, West Bengal, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Himachal Pradesh. Coffee, hot and wet, and Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Now they have explained this with the help of a map. This is index, means they are showing the states in which they are growing. First is rice. As we have learned, rice is grown in West Bengal, Odisha, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, then Bihar. So in this way it shows the distribution of crops. Then next is wheat. Wheat is grown in these parts. Can you see this light color? They are Madhya Pradesh, parts of Punjab, Haryana, isn't it? In this way. Now we will do the checkpoints. The cultivation of land is called agriculture. Everyone write down here, agriculture. Most people in India are farmers. More than half of the population, isn't it, is doing farming. Wheat is a dash crop. Which type of crop is wheat? Yes, food crop that is meant for eaten, that is grown to be eaten. Jaggery. Jaggery is good, is made from sugarcane. Dash is the main producer of wheat and sugarcane. Yes, Uttar Pradesh. Write down everyone. Write down a little bit smaller. Now we will discuss the question answers. How can people grow many crops in India? I have just explained. India has suitable climate, fertile soil to grow many types of crops. And the difference between food crops and cash crop with examples, this also we have discussed. Now you will read page number 56, 57 and do the checkpoint in book and these two questions in your notebook. Thank you, students.